heck cares? Boom! Thanks, kid. This will be easier since it's... Bro, no way! I've never heard a gifted beat like that before. God. Yeah, I'm gonna give... Okay, let's just get a bunch of pollen. Why did I have to get that on this account? This is for what? This speed run is going to fail. Look how slow I am. Come on, annoyingly gifted music beat. This is just so I'm sorry if I'm being so annoying. Actually, guys, to make this speed run more successful, that was quick. We should enter some codes, shouldn't we? Okay. Wax. Was there one name? Nice, nice. Bro, yes, we've already got 2 eggs. Oh my god, this just feels so weird. Nostalgic in a way. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's get some red pollen there. Gotta get to 25 bees. I thought this would be easier. By the way, I've never done a speedrun before, so I've got no experience at all. But the first thing I freaking get is a music. Can't do this anymore. I just can't. Wait, actually. Guys, look. If we go over here. Ew, that's disgusting. Let's take a three micro converters. So I can always use these. Dandelion deed. Oh, if one of you guys have ever done a speed run before, is it hard? Just saying. Just asking, you know. I just don't. I've never. This is my first ever speed run, and because it's my first one, I'm gonna fail. But I might become a speedrunner. Not a very good one. Look at these. Yay. Ooh, there's I can get really up there to get some better speed. Black Bear, you're not doing a good job at giving me hard questions. The one you gave me on my actual account. Okay, slightly harder. Slightly harder. I am going to fail. Okay, is there any boots around here? Okay, guys, let's just admit it. I'm not gonna do this so long. You know what? Let's not quit this. Let's not quit this. Let's see how we can do. Obviously, people who are experienced and know better, I would be really happy. Yay. Let's admit it, I'll never be a good speedrunner. So, even though I got incredibly lucky, we just can't do this, okay? We just can't, and I'm sorry about that. Of course, I might try and use this account for other things, but for now, it's just a test for my first speedrun. Okay, bye. Hello, my name's Adrienne.
Oh my God! Wow! Okay.